Psycholinguistics bridges the domains of psychology and linguistics, reflecting the intricate relationship between cognitive processes and language. This interdisciplinary field arose from the necessity to investigate how brain impairments can affect linguistic capabilities, thereby enhancing our understanding of communicative deficits and their underlying neurological mechanisms. Language processing is contingent upon specific cerebral regions. Damage to these areas can lead to deficits in speech, reading, writing, and comprehension. Clinicians utilize a multidisciplinary approach, integrating insights from linguistics, neurology, and speech-language pathology to diagnose and rehabilitate these disorders. Aphasia, a disturbance in communication resulting from brain injury, often seen post-stroke. Broca's aphasia, characterized by halting speech production and poor sentence formation due to damage to Broca's area, frontal lobe. Wernicke's aphasia, marked by fluent yet nonsensical speech resulting from damage to Wernicke's area, temporal lobe. Global aphasia, a profound loss of both expressive and receptive language abilities due to extensive brain damage. Apraxia of speech. Impairment in the motor execution of speech, where neural signals fail to effectively coordinate the articulatory musculature. Dyslexia, a specific learning disability affecting decoding and reading fluency, linked to neurological variations in phonemic processing and visual perception. Dysgraphia, a disorder characterized by difficulties in written expression stemming from motor or cognitive impairments. All right, let's dive into dysarthria first. This is a motor speech disorder that often results in slurred or slowed speech. The root cause? Well, it's typically due to muscle weakness following some form of neurological damage. Now, switching gears to auditory processing disorder, or APD for short. This condition is quite intriguing. Individuals with APD have difficulty processing auditory information, even though their peripheral hearing is perfectly intact. Now let's talk about what causes these language impairments. They usually arise when the neurological pathways associated with language function are disrupted. Some common etiological factors include stroke or brain injury. These traumas can damage language-relevant brain regions, leading to communicative deficits. And then we have neurodegenerative diseases. Conditions such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's can significantly impact language capabilities. It's a complex interplay, really, between the brain structure and function. So let's dive into the fascinating world of motor and developmental factors. Motor system dysfunction can be quite a challenge, as it involves failures in the signal transmission from the brain to the muscles, which are crucial for speech. And then we have developmental disorders like dyslexia and ADHD, which interfere with the normal trajectories of language processing. It's really quite intriguing how these elements play a role in language disorders. Now, when it comes to strategies for restoring language function, a comprehensive therapeutic regimen is key. It encompasses various strategies aimed at either restoring or compensating for impaired language function. Speech therapy, for instance, involves tailored exercises designed to enhance articulation, fluency, and spontaneous speech. Then there's cognitive rehabilitation, which includes techniques for retraining the brain's language processing pathways, especially following an injury. Neurological interventions, whether pharmacological or therapeutic, target specific neural deficits. And let's not forget about assistive technology, which deploys tools like text-to-speech applications and alternative communication devices to facilitate expression. It's truly a multifaceted approach. Effective management of language disorders, you see, requires a nuanced understanding of symptomatology and supportive strategies. Symptom recognition is vital. Being aware of manifestations such as slow speech, reading challenges, and difficulty forming coherent sentences is pivotal. Employing alternative communication methods like gestures, pictorial aids, or written text can greatly enhance communication when verbal expression is compromised. Advocacy for speech therapy is also crucial, as engaging professional speech-language pathologists is critical in promoting recovery of language skills and optimizing communicative effectiveness. It's all about providing the right support. And finally, let's talk about the role of psycholinguistics. By integrating psychology and linguistics, psycholinguistics has illuminated